This 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD is brought to you by All Models Cars and Trucks. 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD regular cab service work truck with heavy-duty commercial camper shell, drop-down ladder rack and bed slide features, V8, 6.0-liter, automatic, 6 SPD HDW/overdrive, 2WD, power steering, power door locks, power windows, tilt wheel, steel wheels, stability track, hill start assist control, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning, ABS, 4-wheel, anti-theft system, dual airbags, daytime running lights, cruise control and more. Visit us at allmodelscars.com.